Ever stood at a foreign checkout, ready to swipe your GrabPay card, only to freeze, wondering, wait, do I need to do something special for this to work? Yeah, me too. That little moment of panic when you're abroad, wondering if your digital wallet is about to let you down? It's a real thing. We've all been there, right? You're finally on that dream vacation, or maybe a crucial business trip, and you're relying on your GrabPay card for smooth, cashless transactions. You've heard it's convenient, you've heard it's accepted widely, but the nagging question remains, is it just plug and play, or is there a hidden activation step you're missing? Because let's be honest, nothing kills the travel vibe faster than card troubles. Imagine this, you're trying to pay for that amazing street food, or that must-have souvenir, and your card just declines. The embarrassment, the hassle, the scrambling for local currency, it's a nightmare. So, today, we're diving deep into this to settle the question once and for all. Do you need to activate your GrabPay card for overseas use? The short answer is, it depends. And that's where things get a little nuanced. Generally, your GrabPay card, especially the physical MasterCard version, is designed to work internationally. That's the beauty of it. It's supposed to be your travel companion, your financial passport to seamless transactions. However, there are a few key points you need to be aware of. First, ensure your GrabPay wallet has sufficient balance. This might seem obvious, but travel expenses can add up quickly. Double-check your balance before you head out, and consider topping up to avoid any mid-trip surprises. Second, be mindful of any regional restrictions or limitations. While GrabPay aims for global acceptance, some countries or merchants might have specific regulations or technical issues that could affect transactions. This is less about activation and more about the ever-changing landscape of international payments. Third, and this is crucial, familiarize yourself with Grab's international transaction fees and exchange rates. These can vary, and knowing them upfront can help you manage your budget and avoid unexpected charges. Grab provides this information within their app and website, so take a moment to look into it. Fourth, and this is where many people get confused, there is no specific overseas activation button you need to press. The card is designed to work internationally once you receive it. However, it's always a good idea to make at least one successful local transaction before you travel. This ensures your card is functioning correctly and helps you avoid any potential issues abroad. Fifth, and this is a safety measure, make sure your contact details within the Grab app are up to date. In case of any suspicious activity or if Grab needs to contact you, having accurate information is vital. So, no, there isn't a separate overseas activation step. But, you do need to ensure your balance is sufficient, be aware of fees, and make a local transaction before you travel. And, always keep your app information up to date. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.